Hello, little ones. It's time to close your eyes and listen to a soul story. Tonight, I will tell you about a tiny bird who learned something very special. Let's begin. The little bird who waited. In a quiet forest, there lived a small brown bird named Tiki. Tiki was cheerful, but she had one big wish. She wanted to fly to the top of the tallest tree. Every day she flapped her wings and tried, but the tree was very high and her wings were very small. Maybe tomorrow, she said, smiling. Her friends, the squirrel, the butterfly, and the rabbit cheered for her. You will get there, Tiki. Just keep trying. So Tiki waited. She ate well, rested, and practiced flying a little more each day. One morning, the wind was soft and the sky was blue. Tiki felt strong. She flapped her wings and flew higher than ever before. Up, 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 until she reached the top of the tall tree. She looked around and saw the whole forest below. It was quiet, peaceful, and beautiful. Tiki chirped happily. Waiting was worth it. And from that day on, she flew with joy, but never forgot how patience helped her grow. The moral of the story is patience and practice help us grow. Good night.